you're a content creator, gamer, podcaster, streamer, or you simply want to do some karaoke for fun. However, you don't like a complicated setup. Well, this might be for you. This is the Synido Live Dock E10 karaoke headset. Yes, this is pretty much what all you need. This is actually more than just a headset. This is more of a headset or an earphone, sound card, condenser microphone with intelligent noise reduction bolt-in together. And also this headset has a Bluetooth feature, which means you should be able to connect source for music via wireless or Bluetooth directly to this headset. How cool is that? Anyway, to tell you more its features, let's check first what comes in the box. And there it is, the Synido Live Dock E10 karaoke headset. First, you'll get this manual. The manual is pretty helpful, and you have some accessories on here. This is your mic clip. This is your pop filter. You have 2 extra sets of ear tips, and you have this lightning adapter. So that means you should be able to connect this to either Android or iOS devices that has lightning port on it. So most likely iPhone 14 and below. And you have your certificate of conformity. And finally, this headset. Okay, and you have your kind of lavalier mic right there. And it's a USB-C on here. And again, you have this lightning adapter for connecting to iOS devices that has a lightning port. There it is. This is pretty much what comes in this box, and this is pretty much what you all need for making a content or recording, streaming, podcasting, whatever you want to do. And this is it. You can connect this one pretty much to mobile devices, Android, iOS devices, laptop, iPad, tablet. Over here, you have your microphone. So this is your microphone, and this is where you monitor your audio. Now, to connect this mic clip, very self-explanatory from there. You just have to connect it like that until you hear the click. There it is. And now for the pop filter, same thing. You'll find that to kind of elastic over here, and then just put it around it. Okay, there it is. Let's test this out right away. I'll be connecting this Synido Live Dock E10 to this iPhone device. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max, so that means I'll be able to connect this one directly to here. By the way, if you have iPhone 14 and below, then you will need this lightning adapter. But if you have an Android device, same thing, you can connect it directly to your phone. Okay, so from here, I'm going to start recording from this iPhone device so I can share to you also the audio output. Okay, I'm gonna start recording. There you go. Sound check. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you're listening from here, this is now the recorded audio to this iPhone device. Okay, so you can technically clip this one to your clothes, this one, or you can just hold it like that. It's really up to you. If I'm going to clip this one here, okay, something like that. Sound check. Testing 1, 2. If that's okay with you, then of course you can do that. Let me show you over here. So very simple, very self-explanatory. So the mute over here, if you tap it, of course, once it's red, then it's muted. You will not hear yourself, and it will not be recorded over here as well. And this one over here is monitoring on and off. So right now I can hear myself, so it's in blue. But if I'm going to turn it off, that means I will not be able to hear myself. However, it's still going to be recording. So same thing, if you are, let's say, doing live streaming, if you don't want to hear yourself, then just tap this one. So something like that. The light is off, but if I'm going to turn it back on, I can hear myself again, but I'm sure it's still being recorded. Same thing, if you are live streaming and you do not want to hear yourself, then you can turn off monitoring. Like volume, so you can turn it up like that, or you can lower it. There you go. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn it back up. There you go, sound check. And this one here, play, pause, very self-explanatory. If you're playing music from this device, you can play or pause, or this is also for answering calls or ending a call. And if you tap this one twice, whatever, let's say if you have a playlist here, if you tap it twice, it'll go to the next music, but if you tap it 3 times, it will go to the previous music you are playing. So over here, this is to change your vocal mode. So there are 4 vocal modes. The first one is the original, and this is pretty much what it is. And if I'm going to tap it 1 time, K, sound check, testing 1, 2. So this is your KTV vocal mode. And let's tap it again. K, sound check, testing 1, 2. This is now your pop vocal mode. Okay, let me tap it again. Okay, sound check, testing 1, 2. This is now your host vocal mode. And let's tap it again. Okay, now it's back to original. So again, it's up to you if you have to clip it on your clothes or if you want to hold it. I noticed the audio output is different if you are just holding it like that. It's way better. Okay, so again, if you're able to hold it, I suggest hold it like this way because the audio output is way better. Now, let me show you how to connect source from music to this headset. So this is going to be the source from music. And if it is your first time connecting it, it should show at the bottom. And the name is Synido Live Dock E10. Since I've already connected it, so it shows up here now. So it's Synido Live Dock E10. And then I'm going to tap it and it should say connected. Okay, and it's now on top. It says connected. So that means if I'm going to play a music from here, it should now be connected and it's going to be recorded over there. Okay, let's play this song. Okay, there it is. And now to control the volume, you can just control it from here, from the source. Turn it up and turn it down. Okay, there it is. There you go. So again, you don't really need an external sound card for you to be able to do this. So again, only this headset alone. And of course, you need 2 devices, one for streaming or recording and one as the source for music. Maybe I'll go live streaming quickly on TikTok so I can show you the audio output from live streaming on TikTok. Okay, there it is. So as you can see, I have now started my live streaming on TikTok. And whatever you're listening from here, this is pretty much the audio output using this Synido Live Dock E10. Okay, and this is currently the original vocal mode. So again, pretty much if you are just going to be talking or maybe a podcast type of thing, then this is I should say the advisable vocal mode you should be using. Not unless from time to time, if you want to use it with a reverb one, then you can select the second one or the third one, the KTV or the pop or even the host one. The host vocal mode, the reverb is not as much. Thank you. For singing purposes, then of course you will have to select, or not unless you don't want let's say you don't want reverb at all for post-processing, then of course you can do that as well. Okay, so maybe let's do a quick sample from here. So first sample, I will be using the KTV vocal mode. So again, we can increase the volume of the music from the source itself. So let's turn it up. Let's listen first. Okay, so maybe somewhere there. You give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way. Okay, let's stop it from there. And now let's use the pop vocal mode. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. Okay, so this time this is now the host vocal mode. When I'm about to give up, you're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help but show. This is now back to original vocal mode. So anyway, it's up to you which one you want to use. As you can see, this is it, just the headset, and you can carry this one pretty much wherever you go. You can even put this one on your pocket, and then wherever you are, maybe you are at the park, in a mountain, of course, you need a signal from there. You can pretty much do live streaming from there or recording wherever you go. So anyway, I'm just hoping that you now know how to use this one, which is a very basic, pretty simple. And I have shown you the features of the Synido Live Dock E10 karaoke headset. Anyway, I want to thank Synido for sending me this Synido Live Dock E10 headset karaoke for me to test it out. And if you want to check this out, I will be adding a link under the description below. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of video, please give it a like. And if you want more of this type of videos, consider subscribing if you haven't done yet. And hit the notification bell so you're always updated for all the upcoming videos I will be posting. Keep safe and until next time.